What's a question people are too scared to ask?
कि चोली के पीछे क्या है?
What should people stop asking trans people?
कि चोली के पीछे क्या है?
एग्जैक्टली
तो
पता
मेरा-
नहीं कूल क्यों समझते हैं इसको। कबीर सिंह में भी तो कबीर उसकी हाथ रिस्ट बना रहा था।
वो
wrist
कबीर
को।
सिंह हॉट भी था ना, वो हॉट नहीं था। और अगर आप
वो कबीर सिंह था या फकीर सिंह था?
There is a theory which I saw on Instagram a few days ago. I was born to tell my dad about the guy I met, but I am telling the guy I met about the dad I had.
Oh God, I
so
feel
deep.
you.
I was constantly bullied in schools by the words chakka hai, hijra hai, halwa hai.
Hi guys, I am Amanpreet Kaur
And I'm Bhavika.
and you're watching
Bol
Bol
Maze.
Maze.
So today, guys, we have a very beautiful guest with us. Her name is Pranav Boxer Grover. She is a Karanveer Chakra awardee and she is also a trans actor. She loves animals. So let's introduce her in our podcast
Yes.
today.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
We are doing very well. How are you, Pranav?
Amazing.
So guys, आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा सा फन भी होगा, थोड़ा सा आई ओपनिंग भी होगा एंड ऑनेस्टली हम सब थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज्ड है. तो आज हमारी बहुत सारी कंफ्यूजन्स की क्लैरिटी प्रणव हमें देने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
So yes, welcome to our podcast.
Thank you.
And first question, since you are a trans woman and you're so beautiful, first let me address that. You're so
Definitely.
pretty.
I
Guys, in
know.
real
You
life
look like a
also.
goddess to me right now.
In real life also, she is very pretty.
Very pretty.
So please tell us, what is a trans woman actually?
सबसे पहले तो आंसरिंग ऑन she looks like a goddess. नवरात्र चल रहे हैं तो एक देवी का रूप होना बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है एक औरत के
I
लिए.
agree.
इंग्लिश हम सब लोगों ने पढ़ी है. We both are from the same school,
Yeah.
by the way. तो हम लोगों ने सेम स्कूल से इंग्लिश पढ़ी है. You are a tall girl. You are a short girl. You're a fair skinned girl. You're a wheater skinned girl.
Right.
I am a trans girl. So trans is just an adjective to the term. साफ शब्दों में बताऊं एकदम layman language में without that dictionary वाला language is that जब आपका gender आपके दिए हुए सेक्स के साथ जो आपको आपके बर्थ पे असाइन होता है मैच या अलाइन नहीं करता then you're a trans person, a transgender person. For example, I was born as a boy. मैं जब पैदा हुई थी, she seen me as a boy in my school, and when I was a boy, I was born as a boy, so I was assigned male at birth.
Right.
But growing up, after puberty, I found out that this is something जो मेरे सेक्स के साथ मेरा दिमाग अलाइन नहीं कर रहा. That is where I found out that I am a transgender person because my male instincts does not align with my female impressions of my body. You are a cisgender person. I am a transgender person because
It's
you
as
both.
simple as
It's very simple. Just because you guys had the privilege to be born as a woman and you want to stay as a woman, you guys are cisgender. I, on the other hand, I wanted to stand out. So I am a trans person. Very
So
simple.
I have a small question. What is the difference between sexuality and gender? Because I think लोग confuse हो जाते हैं. हम भी confuse रहते हैं कितनी बार. So could you please explain that?
Of course.
Yes.
Do you have your Aadhaar cards with you?
Yeah.
You have your Aadhaar card,
Yes.
right? अगर हम अपने phone में भी अपना आधार कार्ड अभी check करेंगे, it says sex female.
Hmm.
So people don't understand the meaning of sex, gender, and sexual orientation. Okay, let's do a little activity.
Hmm.
ठीक है? Leave your phones, leave your tabs aside.
Right.
Hmm.
Pick your right hand up. Right? Now point with me as I point.
Hmm.
Sex,
Sex,
gender,
gender,
sexual orientation.
sexual orientation.
समझ आया?
समझ
Oh.
गए.
Sex,
Gender,
gender,
sexual
and
orientation.
Oh, this is the simplest
This is
way.
so
कितना-
simple.
Wow, I love
click,
this
click, click
activity.
ऐसे explain कर दिया. अब
Now,
मुझे समझ
now
आ
अब
गया.
समझ आया. अब इसको अगर
समझ
हम
आ
थोड़ा
गया.
सा elaborate करें तो सेक्स क्या? वो जो आप जब पैदा हुए तब आपको
Right.
असाइन हुआ.
Assigned.
Right.
जेंडर वो जो आपके
आप
कानों के बीच में जिससे आपका माइंड
सोचते हैं.
फंक्शन
Function
करता है, जो प्यूबर्टी के टाइम पे समझ आता है.
Correct.
प्यूबर्टी कब आती है? 12 से 13 साल की उम्र में.
Right.
Right.
जब एक मेल पर्सन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस को एक्सपीरियंस करता है, एक फीमेल
Yeah.
पर्सन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ
Correct.
चीजों को एक्सपीरियंस करती है. A female would go through her period cycles. A female would go through her,
Secondary
getting-
physical characters.
Exactly.
You're a
All of
doctor.
them.
Of
Right.
course, you'd know that,
Yeah.
right? आपकी chest heavy हो रही है, आपकी
Correct.
आवाज पतली हो रही है. There is a growth in your hair. There is body
Right.
hair getting shed off. A man would go the opposite. Adam's apple
Adam's
बाहर
apple.
निकल आना. Muscles, बननी start हो
Correct.
जाना,
Beard.
आवाज भारी हो जाना.
Right.
when you do not align with all of that,
True.
that is where your gender comes in.
So when did you realize that you're not aligning
And
with
did
all
you
of
have
that?
any aha moment, like an epiphany ki ha, okay, I am?
हाँ,
It
that's
took
what
me-
that's the same
it
question.
took me 10 damn years
Oh.
to come in terms of acceptance of who am I. Because I'll tell you, when I was young, when this puberty phase, had hit up, at that point of time, I used to be a student who was all into co-curricular activities. मतलब डांस
True.
मैंने करना है, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट मैंने करना है, गाना मैंने गाना है choir में. I want to be a part of everything.
That's how I remember her, guys.
Which does not include studies.
Both of us.
Guys, by the way, they were in same school.
Yeah,
We were in the same
same
school.
school, so
Yes.
they know each other.
So I had to be in everything.
Hmm.
I left singing because I used to believe कि मेरी आवाज भारी हो रही है.
Hmm.
That should have been my first signal to my own self,
Hmm.
because I was uncomfortable with my own voice. Initially, the schools that we went to during our time,
Right.
and even today, have no scope of a little subject called sexual education.
Right.
That's
Sex
so
Sex
education.
education is nowhere in India, I believe.
कहीं नहीं
Nobody
है.
teaches.
I'm sorry that I'm interrupting, but ninth में जब वो reproduction का
I was gonna
chapter
come on
होता
that.
है,
It was
and
8th
these
class.
8th class, and these guys were like, oh,
Oh,
and
even
teachers
were also like
teachers
that.
are like, we're not gonna draw the whole thing. जब female का वो male का आता है, then they don't draw, and I was like, why? मैं मम्मा के पास गई, मैंने बोला मम्मा ऐसा क्यों? And पता नहीं ये इंडिया में है ये. I don't think ये हर जगह है, because they are literally distributing condoms outside,
Hmm.
you know, कि ताकि ये सब ना हो.
Hmm.
And यहाँ पे the teacher is, you know, she's so shy
It's
to
a
draw
very huge
a
thing.
a
to
body
even
part.
talk
That's
about it. So what happens? Teachers also used to take a lot of time completing one chapter, but when it came to reproductive parts and organs chapter, teachers used to finish it like in
that go.
one period. Right.
Just like a man, how they
Like
finish
a-
fast, they just complete that chapter really
I
fast.
swear. इतनी
मुझे
जल्दी
कुछ समझ
खत्म।
नहीं आता था. And honestly, मैंने आधी चीजें तो मेरी मॉम से पूछी, और मेरी मॉम इस चीज में touchwood, she has been really open to
Right.
me.
My mother
When I
told me
was
about
young.
periods and everything.
When I was
That is,
10,
I
not
was
mentioned
gonna
anywhere.
come on that.
Hmm.
By the age of 19 or
Hmm.
18, I had no idea what periods were.
Oh.
Do you know how shameful that is?
Yeah.
I had a sister at my house and I had no idea what she was going through, because it was never taught to me by my family, by my school. Agar family nahi kar rahi, it becomes a school's responsibility to teach children
Exactly.
what a...
And this
True.
chapter also comes up very late.
Very
when you are
late.
in 10th.
And
This
wo
should be
bhi-
taught earlier.
Even if teachers were at a fault to not teach it properly, we were equally at fault to make hooting noises and all of that
Correct.
to make it pass away.
I never did it. And
I don't
used
know,
to
my
feel
boys
very
used to do it
मेरे
more.
को तो even as a boy I did not do it because मुझे समझ
I
नहीं आता
used
कि
to
इतना
feel
hype क्यों
very
है.
uncomfortable when guys used to do it. So I went home and I asked my mom, she literally sat me down and she was like, listen, ऐसा होता है, ये वैसा होता है. And literally अब मेरे को बोलना नहीं चाहिए, मेरी mom ने बोला, have you watched porn ever? Have you watched porn when I was around 13? मैंने कहा मम्मा मैंने नहीं देखी
Auntie
आज
चुप
तक.
super chill है.
मेरी mom ने मुझे बैठ के समझाया कि see this is, ये ऐसा होता है, so nobody can touch your private part. This is not supposed to be like that, especially that when you're in Delhi. I think it's very important. एक लड़की को पहले ही समझा देना चाहिए कि क्या होता है और क्या नहीं होता है. That's very important.
Of
I think
course.
that's very important.
Of course.
Yeah.
So even when I was in 9th class, there was this workshop that happened where there were several doctors who came
Right.
into our school,
Yeah.
and the boys were, they were made sit in one class and the girls were in a different class. Segregate कर दिया different sections में. तो मेल जहाँ पे सारे बॉयज थे वहाँ पे मेल टीचर्स थे, मेल डॉक्टर्स थे, एंड जहाँ पे फीमेल्स थी सारी वहाँ पे फीमेल डॉक्टर्स टू टीच देम द एनाटॉमी ऑफ बॉडीज. ठीक है. पहली चीज तो द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक दे डिड वाज टू सेग्रीगेट देम.
Correct. Blunder है.
बहुत बड़ा ब्लंडर है, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इफ आई डू नॉट नो हाउ द अदर बॉडी वर्क्स, हाउ आई सपोज टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू. एंड लड़कों के उसमें तो आई वाज सो अनकंफर्टेबल, दे यूज्ड वर्ड्स लाइक मास्टरबेशन व्हिच आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट इट मेंट बिकॉज इट वाज नेवर टॉट टू अस. ना घर पे ना स्कूल में. आप एजुकेशन कहाँ से ग्रास्प, एंड सेक्स एजुकेशन आज भी, वी आर इन 2026 March, it is still considered a stereotype in a way that sex is supposed to happen between a man and a woman to have children. अगर ये सेक्स एजुकेशन शायद हमें बचपन में दी जाती, NCERTs में इंक्लूड की जाती, तो मेरे जैसे जितने बच्चे थे आज सेक्स, जेंडर और सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेशन में कंफ्यूज होके अपनी लाइफ के 10 साल नहीं गवाते.
Right.
Only with that one little education. And I'm sorry to break it out to everybody that sex does not happen only to reproduce children. It can happen between any two consensual adults or even more than that. अगर इससे किसी की ईगो हर्ट हो रही है कि दो लोगों से ज्यादा लोग भी सेक्स कर सकते हैं, you need to do your research really well in that.
Really well,
That's
yeah.
true.
And grow up.
Yeah, a little.
A little.
Have fun.
So how about your parents? How did they take this when you first came out to them that mama?
Yeah, and what was your aha moment? That's still left.
This aha to never came.
Never came.
Be it with anybody.
Okay.
But when you mentioned porn, your parents were liberal enough to sit down with you and teach you.
Not
about
parents, my mother.
Your mother, okay.
Yeah, mothers
We
are the
sense
only
daddy issues here.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah, let's just say I have a lot of daddy issues.
Yeah, girl, us.
Same
So,
page.
you know what? Porn and I go really back because that is how I came out to my family.
Oh,
I am also from a Punjabi household.
okay.
And given you are also,
Yeah.
you would understand कि हमारे घर में openly conversations नहीं
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 होती हैं.
होती हैं.
Plus joint
And
family.
we are from that पिछड़ी हुई generation
Agree.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे हर चीज के ऊपर लोग मिट्टी डाल देते हैं. That is the Punjabi pet dialogue कि मिट्टी डाल दो.
Agree.
Right?
मिट्टी पाओ.
हाँ, मेरे को पंजाबी बोलनी नहीं आती. So this conversation always takes place.
Yeah.
Now, whenever you try to pick a topic like that of the queer community or something that does not fit in your eyes, you get an idea of how your parents would react.
True.
Now, given an example, by chance, one person you get pregnant before your marriage, there will be a judgment that comes along with that because nobody would have anticipated. Or even if you would see a fictional character TV में कि by chance वो लड़की pregnant होगी और मम्मी के साथ बैठ के हम वो प्रोग्राम देख रहे हो तो एक मम्मी का रिएक्शन निकलेगा कि अगर हमारे घर में ऐसा हो गया तो हम तो शादी करा देंगे
अभी
या
भी
मार
है
देंगे
वो
या
तो,
ये
of
कर देंगे.
course.
तो एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि
Yeah.
what if I am in that situation, how would my family react?
React.
So growing up, I knew that the day if I tell my parents that I am different from what they perceive me as, I'll be dead. And when I say dead, I mean literal dead. Khatam, matam, maut, funeral, everything came into my brains. Why? Is because when we used to see the mainstream representation of the community on TV, तो क्या होती थी कि एक प्लस साइज इंसान दाढ़ी मूंछ के साथ मेकअप लगा के साड़ी पहन के डांस कर रहा है. हर न्यूज चैनल सिर्फ यही पोर्ट्रे करता था.
True.
Ridicule that in a different
Yeah.
way, but even I remember there was this one plus size man. There was a healthy man with glasses. He was called out from the audience to dance on a very pathetic and vulgar song in front of Bollywood stars and then made fun of.
Okay.
Right? Now, इसमें मेरे डैड का रिएक्शन एक बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से आया था कि ये कैसे से लोग हैं. And that narrative followed with me for years कि कल को मेरे पापा मुझे बोलेंगे कि ये कैसे से लोग हैं अपने बच्चों को. That narrative came along so well that when we were not taught sexual education as growing up children, when I did not know the meaning of masturbation, I felt ashamed that everybody knew. वैसे ही मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं होते थे. I couldn't even fit well in a situation where everybody was laughing and I was clueless. So I started searching on the internet like a rebel kid. That if you will not tell me, I will find it out.
Obviously.
And I got caught. I was watching a sexual intercourse between two men to understand what the anatomy is like because I never really related to women. I could never sexualize women in the way a man does. So I had a different narrative altogether जो शायद आज भी किसी के समझ में नहीं आएगा of what it was and how it felt back then. And my dad caught my search history. And I was beaten to death that day. And I still remember it was 8th November 2016, the day demonetization happened.
Okay.
And it has been 10 damn long years since it happened.
Yeah.
After that ruthless domestic violence that happened in my house, I knew for a fact that if this continues for that long, तो मेरा पक्का जनाजा उठ जाएगा मेरे घर से, for sure. So my dad took me to a psychiatrist
Okay.
to turn me to a straight person.
Well, that's not the cure.
But I was put on medications
Okay.
by the psychiatrist
What?
to cure me and make me a straight person.
In
which-
2016.
in 2016, which, by the way, is a way of conversion therapy which is banned in India.
It is.
Conversion therapy पता क्या होती थी? Before 377 was decriminalized, people who used to be homosexuals in India, chest पे shocks दिए जाते थे उनको, जो आपके ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स में प्रेजेंट है आज मशीन्स,
Correct.
शॉक दिए जाते थे मेजर फ्रीक्वेंसीज में
Defibrillators.
ताकि वो लोग स्ट्रेट बन जाए,
My God.
Okay.
एंड वो आज भी प्रैक्टिस होता है.
What? I think now we have better options like hormone replacement therapies and
वो
many
तो
things.
when you want to transition,
Yeah, then when
But they're not letting you
They are
transition.
not
They,
letting
they
you.
don't
they want to
you
transition you back to your
transition.
default settings,
yeah.
not to the settings
साला
you
ये
want to
इंडिया
go.
में sorry for my इतना judgment किस
I
बात?
mean, why not just accept
Oh
it and move
God.
ahead? I don't
Not just
understand
with
this.
you, in general only. हर छोटी चीज को लेके इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो जाता है ना, इतना बड़ा. I'm like, एक तो you speak shit, ठीक है, ऊपर से you look shit. Either you look good then you speak shit, चलता है.
That-
You look shit and you speak
speak
shit.
shit.
That
Oh God.
mindset came to me very late in my life कि ना शक्ल अच्छी ना बातें अच्छी. एटलीस्ट कुछ तो अच्छा रख सकता है इंसान, बट नहीं रखना होता.
I feel एक रूल होना चाहिए, before you speak shit, your थोपड़ा should be good, this should be good, your mother and father should be together, so तुम्हारी family history proper होनी चाहिए, and make sure nobody is gossiping about it. Then you point your dirty fingers at someone else. I feel.
Correct.
And
That's
People
I
are
will
so quick
tell
to
you,
judge.
you will get judgment to you also with that statement, and I will tell you how. There are so many people, and before this podcast started, you and I also spoke about it, that people have body image issues. Body dysphorias होते हैं. Imagine somebody with correct thoughts, but actually a face they do not like. At this point of time, inclusivity is so important. So important because we are living in an economy where all of us are paying equal money but taking back home various kinds of judgments that are harming our own selves despite making money to the country. Now I will give you a scenario in that case. When I was a child, I used to look in the mirror and I used to just say one word: horrible. I used to be horrible. I used to look horrible in a way that I hated my own shadows at times. वो एक ऐसी situation होती थी that I am attracted to my classmates who are also boys, but I do not look like the girl in my class because I wanted to look like her. Even growing up, when I used to see women dressing up in whatever they wish to wear, I used to always carry that thought कि इससे अच्छा मैं carry करके दिखा सकता हूँ. Terminologies about the communities or binaries were never clear because they were never taught. So I initiated my life saying that I'm a bisexual person. I like both men and women. To be safer in an environment, because my dad used to constantly ask me about after those medications that अब तो तू ठीक हो गया है ना, अब तो तू बीमार नहीं है,
बीमार नहीं
अब
है.
तो तू सही पाथ पे है ना, अब तो तू गंदगी में तो नहीं है.
Oh,
What is गंदगी?
very hard to make them understand all this.
So I used to say मैं नहीं हूँ. You catch my porn history now. I am watching straight porn now. That is fine. But I still never related to all of that. That term never resonated with me. I even had girlfriends in my school. I was a playboy. I had 6 girlfriends. I had 2 at once. I was double dating because I wanted to just fit in. And that is the most horrible thing I can do to somebody. और वो मुझे अब realize हुई क्योंकि my partner also cheated on me, X1. So what you give come back to you.
Comes back, I know.
अरे सब पे चीट कर रहे हैं आजकल.
आजकल तो सब चल रहा
आज
है.
इसकी टोपी उसके सर उसकी, this is very common.
So I used to have girlfriends, but
That's how you
it was always in a way which was love, but as companions, not as partners, because I was sexually never attracted to them. After 3 long years of not giving so many fucks, I came to a term that I am not bisexual, I am gay. And how did I come to that conclusion? By giving a random test on internet that are you gay? तो उसमें मेरा
But you know,
percentage
even for you
81
to
आया,
go-
तो I'm like I am gay.
But you know, even for you to go to that website search, आपको खुद ही मन में नहीं, मैं जा ही क्यों रहा, मतलब रही हूँ, या मैं क्यों सर्च क्यों कर रही हूँ?
Because it was never taught, but it always felt. That feeling was always there, but the name of that feeling was never told. So as an individual, as somebody जो भूले भटियारे हर जगह दस्तक डाल रहा है, हर जगह दरवाजे खटखटा रहा है कि मुझे कोई समझाओ कि ये जो मेरे जहन के अंदर की आवाज़ है वो क्या बोलना चाह रही है. मैं दर दर भटकूंगी इस जवाब में कि मैं कौन हूँ, और मुझे आज भी नहीं पता कि मैं कौन हूँ. जो लोग इस सिचुएशन में आके बैठ गए ना, we know who we are. No baby, you don't. I believed I was bisexual. I believed I was gay. And even after that, I was like, no. I do like men, but I do not like being with men as a man. You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
मतलब
You felt
शीशे में वो दो आदमी अच्छे तो लग रहे हैं.
Hmm.
मेरे को पर्सनली भी अच्छा फील हो रहा है,
Hmm.
बट वो शीशे में लड़का क्यों है? So the best escape I had was when COVID hit. Everybody was at home.
Right.
Everybody, you know, was locked down in their homes, and I was locked down with the same people who had me tortured for years. Imagine watching the same booties every day when they
feel
become
you.
your biggest triggers.
I know.
I feel you. When you're staying with your biggest triggers, you feel like pulling a trigger.
But lockdown gave me a very nice escape where I started making content on Instagram. I was not this confident. I was not a person जो इतना बात भी कर सकता है. I was never this person, but I remember that I never had a platform to speak about what I felt. I never had friends. I never had somebody I could call a family. I never had a place to call home. So I never really had somebody I could share my experience or my feelings with. So I made a platform for my own self. I said, you'll not give me a stage to talk on, I'll build my own stage. And I started talking about topics that all of us, even 10 years later, are stubborn and underconfident and hesitant to talk about. Be it gender, be it sex, be it men wearing makeup, be it men having a different physique than not a gym person altogether, or a man having a much, much, much more hotter waist than that of a woman.
That I can see.
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous
So
of her.
I
need to ask her dieter.
Yeah.
I started talking about all of that, but it still did not feel enough. So when I did not have anybody, there used to be this stray dog in my block, and after school I used to just go next, sit next to her, and I used to talk to her. I used to just keep sharing her about every damn period of my school, my bus journey, the fights I had at home, everything, even my food schedule, even the crush I had on my maths teacher. I told her everything, and she never uttered a word
Right.
back.
Animals are your best friends.
Best friend.
I was constantly bullied in schools by the words chakka hai, hijra hai, halwa hai.
I can imagine.
वो 9th
that.
क्लास में जो साइंस के टर्म्स आते थे, होमो सेपियंस में होमो ये है,
It used to
सेपियंस हम
happen
लोग
in my
हैं.
class also. I've seen people going through that.
She never said that to me. So I felt hurt. I felt finally I have somebody who's not nagging back at me saying कि bitch, it's you. You're the problem. तुझे कभी पैदा ही नहीं होना चाहिए था. Like that of what my parents used to say constantly. कि I wish you were never born. Imagine being said that 18 साल की आपने जिंदगी जी ली, and it is being said कि वो 18 साल की जिंदगी is null and void because we wish you were never born. Just because you wanted to have kids, or as parents you wanted to bring your bloodline ahead, that does not mean that once you're bored of having children, it's the child's fault to be born.
True.
I did not choose to come that way. You made me come all the way along because you wanted to have a family. But I never felt family because of parents. Like, there are so many out there. This is not just for my family, but there are so many children.
So many of them.
So many.
I've
And
seen
just-
a lot of parents that they say हमने तेरे लिए इतना किया है, तेरे को वो किया है, वैसे किया है, हमने तुझे बड़ा किया है, but बच्चे को तो पैदा नहीं होना था ना. You decided to have a kid.
Exactly.
You decided to do everything for the kid. अब जब वो बड़ा, हमने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया है, वो किया, you have to give some space. You have to understand. I understand it's your first time being parent, but it's the other person's first time being a kid also.
Kid also.
Exactly. So people
So
don't
what?
understand. हमने तेरे लिए इतना किया है, हमने तेरे लिए उतना किया. I think respect, it goes both
You
ways.
snatch away a childhood from that kid.
Exactly.
The moment you snatch a childhood from a kid, I am sorry, but you'll not be able to enjoy your parenthood either.
As well.
Exactly.
Because
You're hurting
once
your own self.
Once that kid gives up, you're gonna have such a big heartbreak as a parent कि हमने इसको बड़ा किया but इसने हमें मुड़ के जवाब
एंड
दिया.
तब भी वो यही बोलेंगे, हमने तुम्हें बड़ा किया और देखो हमें छोड़ के चली गई,
आपको
चला
पता है कि
गया.
हमें रिलेशनशिप में गैस लाइटिंग करना कौन सिखाता है?
पेरेंट्स.
हमारे पेरेंट्स.
Hmm.
आपको पता है कि women stay in abusive relationships why and they do not choose to walk away because their mums didn't either.
Exactly, and that happened with me also.
That happened with me.
But
also.
I
like
think
a
our
generational
generation
trauma.
our generation is breaking that cycle. I don't
We
know,
are not.
really want to.
I
we are
want to
not.
break that to you. We are not.
but I think
We are still stuck up on that one guy कि वो हमें reply
Right,
क्यों
she's
नहीं कर
right.
रहा. We even if we do not agree here, we all know that once in our life we've always
We have
chased a
done
man.
that. We have done. We have all.
And
of
we've
us have
always
done
that I
realize our-
understand, but I'm talking about abusive relationships.
People are
जिनकी
still in abusive
But they're
relationships
still there
even
now.
today.
Really?
Raha.
The generation that is breaking that cycle is our parents because most of the parents right now are heading to divorces.
divorces.
And like
And
you mentioned,
People of our age
Hats
are
off.
not getting married either
they're not.
because they're like,
Of course कि भाई ये इनको देख लिया अभी क्या सर पूरा
They
मत्था मारी
prefer
पूरा
staying
लाइफ
single.
करना पड़ेगा.
I
Exactly.
do not prefer staying single.
Tell us about it.
I am married by the way, guys. I'm married.
You're married.
I'm married.
You're married.
I'm married.
You look like a college child. You look like somebody who's
सब
just
ये
in her
बोलते हैं.
third, fourth year abhi. You're married.
I'm just 26, but yeah, I'm married.
I wanna be her.
Soon, maybe.
I wanna be her. Yeah. So that is how it felt. So when all of that was happening,
Hmm.
when you do not find love at home, you always tend to fall in love with people, and you're trying to find that love in people who are always wrong for you
And similar to them.
and similar to them. Imagine there is a theory which I saw on Instagram a few days ago that I was born to tell my dad about the guy I met, but I am telling the guy I met about the dad I had.
Oh
That
God,
was
I
so
feel
deep.
you.
That was so deep that it made me put that on a story, and so many people got affected by
God.
that.
Could you please repeat it?
Yes.
Repeat it once.
Please repeat it once
The
more.
theory says, the theory says that I was born to tell my dad about the guy I met, but I'm telling about the guy, the dad I had, as in my childhood.
Bang on.
Wow.
Bang
And
on.
all the women right now are relating to that.
Definitely.
I
all
am
the
relating
women.
to
I am
that.
also
Babe,
relating
I'm
to
relating
that.
to that.
We're just 3 women here. There are so many women sitting there listening to us.
You just
and
spoke
can
my
relate.
heart out.
Right.
Love you
We
for that.
spoke many, many and millions of hearts out that everybody is feeling like that right now.
It's true.
Because we've always, as women, as born women, as chosen women, we've always suppressed of our emotions, of our feelings, of our rights, of our dressing sense, of our eating habits. We've always just suppressed, and not by only men,
By
but
the
also
other
women.
women.
And that also
Harsh
includes our mothers at times to create judgments कि ये पहन के बाहर जाएगी तो लोग देखेंगे.
देखेंगे.
तो लोग अपनी आंखें बंद कर सकते हैं मम्मा, बट मैं यही पहनूंगी.
Hmm.
Should be the answers now.
I used to be like that. And my mom used to be like this. My nani used to be like this. And a few days back, someone told me, not my mom or my nani, that अब तो तेरी शादी हो गई, अब तो तेरा पति जो बोल रहा है, मतलब उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो किसी और को क्या प्रॉब्लम. बट मेरे मन में ना क्वेश्चन आया कि हर चीज पति पे स्टार्ट होती है, पति पे
पति पे खत्म.
शादी से पहले मम्मा बोलती थी ट्रिप पे जाना है पति के साथ जाना, पति के साथ करना, सब करना, ठीक है. ससुराल जाओ, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, यू हैव योर ओन सेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. अब उनको कौन समझाए कि यार मैं तो सब छोड़ के आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे एंजॉय करना था अपनी लाइफ. मुझे तो यही बोला गया ना दैट शादी के बाद कर
सारे
लेना.
मजे मजे हैं.
Gaslighting.
एग्जैक्टली. मुझे तो यही समझाया गया था ना कि शादी के बाद बेटा कर लेना. नाउ इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यू टेक केयर ऑफ मी. तू अब मुझे लेके जा वहाँ पे जहाँ पे, और अब वहाँ पे जाके और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हो जाती है. तो
हाँ.
औरत अपनी लाइफ कब
कब
जिएगी?
जिए, कब एंजॉय करे.
कभी जिएगी अपनी लाइफ.
A woman would never have the time to take breaks, and even if she chooses to take one, she's always questioned. Till 2026.
And even right now, as we speaking, talking of it, when we speak about women, I get so many hate comments. हमेशा औरतों के लिए ही क्यों, आदमियों का
बोलते हो
नहीं है?
हमारे इवन
And
पॉडकास्ट
yet
रील्स
to
पे होते
to
हैं
them I would like to say, bro, मैं तो औरत हूँ, मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, तो मैं औरतों का एक्सपीरियंस बताऊंगी. If I call men on my podcast, they can, I'm very well sure आदमियों के साथ भी होता है, but यार मैंने जो पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस किया, मैं तो वही
हम वही
बताऊंगी ना
बोलेंगे
सब.
ना
Good for you. I can tell both.
Yes.
I can speak for both of them because I have lived my life for 20 years as a man who I didn't want to be. But today I'm sitting as a woman who I always dreamt of. वो कहते हैं ना सबके सपनों
Not
में
a
एक
woman,
सब
a hot
a
Goddess.
hot
woman.
goddess, fucking ravishing woman. that she is.
एग्जैक्टली
शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे, मेरी हाइट से
to
नीचे
woman.
पड़ जाएंगे, बट मेरे को डिफाइन नहीं
Cheers
कर
to
पाएंगे.
Really, just
So,
to womanhood.
I can speak for both of us because वो कहते हैं ना लड़कों को कि हमारे सपनों में एक लड़की है, वो सपनों में लड़की मैं खुद ही थी because मुझे वो लड़की बनना था. I never resonated to be a man. Not that I hate them. I'm a professional man hater, but I still love them because that is where my liking also lies in.
मुझे इसका नंबर चाहिए. नंबर चाहिए मुझे आपका.
2 मिनट मेरे साथ बात
I-
करोगे, मैं ऐसे घर छुड़वा दूंगी तुम लोगों को.
I need to talk to her.
श्योर
I like her.
वी लव हर
So that phase, at the age of 19, when it was clear that I am gay and there's nothing you can do about it, no conversion therapies, no medicals, no psychiatrists, no counselings, nothing you can do about it, I was thrown out of the house. And I still remember it was 9 September 2022 that I came back home from an event and the door, I kept ringing the bell and the door was never opened.
So this was your mom's house or
This
dad's?
was my dad's house.
Dad's.
Mom just simply said no on the call. So he said no. They even took the cable out of the landline so that I don't make a call on the landline so that my grandparents are not up and वो
So
दरवाजा
basically
खोल
they
दें.
abandoned you.
They abandoned me. And from there on, my real journey started, my real life started. I started living in an orphanage.
रियली
Yes. There was this orphanage, there was this organization that adopted me. And this organization is one of the pioneers in today's country. And they work for children living with HIV. So I used to live with people and with children who are orphans and who are living with HIV. I stayed amongst them for a good time. And in the same time, I slipped into depression because I fell in love with the wrong man who didn't love me back because I was not masculine enough for him or feminine enough for him. My family left me. I had nobody to look around. My college was going, but I felt at no place even in my college.
Who was paying for your college?
My dad did, which I am planning to return back. I do not want to take anybody's एहसान या जतावा कि हमने इसको
So
पढ़ाया.
are you in touch with your parents?
I stay with my mom, but we don't talk. I do not stay with my dad. We talk only when we are supposed to. So there is no communication because even in my biggest milestones, which we will talk about, they were never there. We're often told by our families ki, and by parents कि हमें अपना best friend बनाओ. दुनिया में सब लोग तुम्हें छोड़ जाएंगे, हम लोग तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ेंगे. We'll always look out for you. But when were you there when your child needed you the most? You abandoned him.
Right.
And I still expect them to be at places ki I was the most hated one in the family because I was not kept expectations ki ये जिंदगी में कभी कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. Well, I'm sitting here, so I did something. So, in a way, even so वो ना hatred और बढ़ गई कि इससे तो हमने expect ही नहीं किया था कि कभी कुछ कर पाएगा. तो आपने उस बच्चे से expect किया था जो अब जिंदा ही नहीं है. Because I had to kill that inner one. I had to kill that older one so that I could sit today. I had to snatch that platform. I had to snatch that seat. And I had to fight for that, a long legal battle, to sit here as a legal identified female. Because you didn't let me be one. And I'm sorry, if you wanted a daughter, you could have had one. My father always wanted a daughter. Always wanted a daughter, but I was the older boy who was born. I gave him the happiness by being one. Now he abandoned me, so it's his problem now. I can't really help him out. So I used to live in an orphanage, and I slipped into depression. And every day, मेरी जिंदगी का इकलौता मकसद यही रहता था कि मुझे अपनी जिंदगी कैसे खत्म कर देनी है.
Oh.
Because who do I go to? मेरे आगे पीछे कौन है? Who do I go to at the moment? Do I have friends? No. Do I have a partner? No. Do I have a family? No. Do I have a house? No. Where do I go? Yes, I love animals, but I can't go and stay in an animal shelter. That was the most horrible phase of my life, even worse than my school life, because at least I was forced to go to the school, but in here, where do I go?
True. That's horrible.
I still, even when I think about that phase, I still don't know where would I have gone if there was nobody to take me in. And that led to a lot of self-harm and blood.
So you were suicidal as
I
Yes.
was suicidal to an extent that every day I tried jumping from the third floor. Every day I woke up with cuts all over my body.
Oh, wow.
My breast area, my stomach, my entire arm. Even if I show you a picture, you'll be shocked. You'll want to slap your own self. कि मैंने क्या देख लिया ये? It was that horrible. And even today, I never wanted anybody's sympathy. I wanted your empathy.
I think when a person goes through so much struggle as you've gone through, and I think my struggles are really teeny meeny in
No,
front of
that
you.
is the worst thing I hear is that just because मेरे struggles दूसरों से ज़्यादा थे, that does not give us the right to invalidate our own struggles.
Right.
Yes, I was born with a golden spoon. Yes, I was born in a well-off family,
Right.
but I still did not have the privileges as a citizen of this country. जब मुझे लोग बोलते हैं कि तेरे पास तो एटलीस्ट छत थी, तेरे पास खाने के लिए खाना था, मैं मानती हूँ मेरे पास इतना प्रिविलेज था कि एटलीस्ट मैं स्कूल में पढ़ी भी. आई हैव दैट एजुकेशन सो दैट आई एम सिटिंग हियर. बट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल इवन टुडे स्टेइंग ऑन रोड्स एंड वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट माई इमोशंस और माई स्ट्रगल गेट्स इनवैलिडेटेड बिकॉज देयर स्ट्रगल इज थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा फ्रॉम मी. ये जिंदगी है. जिंदगी को जिंदगी इसलिए बोला जाता है जब उसमें उतार चढ़ाव हो. यू आर अ डॉक्टर.
Right.
My ex was an MBBS student, and he told me this one thing. I used to go to him and I used to cry that I can't take his name, but that there is so much of happening and I do not know how to process. And this was after we broke up. He
Okay.
is still friends with me. This is not that one. This is the first one.
Okay.
So I still go to him and I talk to him after 4 years of us breaking up and we're still friends. I tell him that I'm going through so much, I don't know what to do. And he just tells me one thing, that do you realize who you are? You are Pranav Boxer Grover. Your life is supposed to be like an ECG line. Your ECG line is always like this.
Right.
That means through ups and downs, you always stay alive. The moment it's a straight
Flat,
line, you are
you're
flat.
gone.
And I'm not flat and I'm not straight. So that thing is still stuck with me. आज जो लोग भी ये बोलते हैं ना that we are straight, we are this, we are that. No, you are not. You're just human. You need to understand that your sexual orientation is always different from what you were born and what do you feel in your brain. How do you go forward with your sexual orientation is who do you love and who are you attracted to. Supposedly, I'm a man and I'm attracted to a man. I'm gay. I'm a woman, but I'm attracted to a woman. I'm a lesbian. It has nothing to do with what your gender is.
Right.
Even if I'm living my life as a woman today and I love a woman, I'll still be considered a lesbian and not straight. But since I'm a woman today and I am attracted towards a man, that way you can call me straight person, a heterosexual person. Straight is the most pathetic word you'll ever hear. हम में से कौन तुम्हें यहाँ टेढ़ा बैठा हुआ दिख रहा है या पैर फैला के बैठा हुआ दिख रहा है? The word straight came from that colonization wala period when Britishers used to call the eunuchs the bend people.
What?
जो eunuchs होते थे, the Hijra community of that time during the colonization time,
They used to call
they were
them
called
bend.
the bend people.
Bend people.
Bend
Oh,
people.
I'm not aware of
Because they were always subjected to sex work. So they were always bend people in terms of rights, in terms of positions, in terms of society acceptance and image.
Right.
And since we are not brain, we are standing straight, so we are straight people. That is how that bloody damn word came into existence. Nobody is sitting diagonally here. Nobody is. The right word, the scientific word is heterosexual when you are attracted to the opposite gender of that of yours. But if you're attracted to the same gender, you are a homosexual person and that is fine. हम में से कौन स्टैंड आउट करना नहीं चाहेगा? हम में से कौन भेड़ चाड़ में रह के सेम ही इंसान की तरह रहना चाहेगा? इंडिया इज नोन फॉर इट्स डाइवर्सिटी. We're supposed to be different. You look different from me because your facial structures and my facial structures are different. My waist size and your waist size are different. So yes, we are different. My physique from that of him is different. So we are all different people. And that is bloody fine.
That's true.
You're not, अगर तुम लोग साथ साथ सेम दिखना स्टार्ट हो जाओगे तो आपकी इंडिविजुअलिटी वहीं खत्म हो जाएगी. So it's always better to stand out.
Actually, I saw a reel अभी recently, आते हुए ही क्या recently, there's this content creator who goes like, हम realize नहीं कर रहे हैं, but इस भेड़ चाल में हम सब एक ही बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सब सेम बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा ही बनना है, ऐसा बनना. शाहरुख खान जैसा ही बनना है. इसके आप अलग हो, मैं अलग हूँ, ये अलग है, वो अलग है, हम सबकी जर्नी अलग है.
जर्नी अलग है.
क्यों बनना है सेम? किसी के
More
जैसे
than
क्यों
that,
बनना है?
हम सबको इस समय सही बनना है.
हाँ.
हम सब लोग सब समय पे सही नहीं हो
इंसान
सकते.
गलतियों का
And it's okay to
पुतला
make mistakes,
होता
I
है.
believe.
Yeah.
That's how you learn. That's how
Even
you grow.
animals make mistakes most of the time by trusting the wrong people.
True.
And I still believe that beauty lies in mistakes. That's how you.
जब तक गलत आईलाइनर नहीं लगाओगे तब तक सीधा लगाना
नहीं
नहीं
आएगा.
आएगा.
मेरा तो अभी तक नहीं
मैं बोलने ही
आया
लगी
है.
थी लोगों को,
लगाती
आज
नहीं
भी
है.
नहीं आता आईलाइनर.
कितना भी ट्राई करो आईलाइनर मेरा सही नहीं होता है. मैं क्या
आज
करूं?
तब स्टेबल होता है जब there is perfection, when there are,
When there's a good makeup artist
Yes.
like Pranav.
but also when there are trials. I was going to, but okay.
By the way, she's a makeup artist too,
Yes.
guys. Like,
Yeah.
please, because
Please.
I am gonna book her soon
Look
for
at
an
her
event.
flawless
I have
makeup.
to,
I-
you have to make me look flawless, okay?
You already look flawless. I'll just do my magic with that.
Thank you. Okay, guys, since we have spoken about, you know, sexual orientation, gender, इतनी सारी बातें हो गई हैं, तो यार थोड़ी सी चटपटी बातें तो
बातें भी
यार
होनी
बनती
चाहिए.
है यार, है ना?
And I would love to know what
Your
was
personal
your dating life
हाँ,
like.
अब तो जानना चाहते हैं हम. Are you dating anyone? Are you single? Or are you not single? Are you ready to mingle?
I will not say anything. I'll just show. Zoom in right here.
Are you engaged? Is that a
You
no, that's a
can
proposal,
call that, but I'm very sure हम तीनों अगर यहाँ बैठी हैं और जितनी भी मेरी नारियाँ, मेरी सुंदर लड़कियाँ और औरतें बाहर सुन रही हैं, हम सबका ये सपना रहा है कि हमारा जो बॉयफ्रेंड है, हमारा जो पार्टनर है, वो एक घुटने पे जाके एक डायमंड रिंग के साथ हमें प्रपोज करे. And that happened. I have a partner.
Okay.
We have been, we'll turn 2-year-old this June.
That's so sweet.
And in a life full of Bumble and Hinge, where I'm not promoting either of them, we met in the most natural way, which is a huge deal because trans people in India cannot find partners like that.
That's true.
We can find good sex partners like that, but not love partners. Because trust and abandonment issues वहीं से आते हैं
So
हमारे.
where did you meet him?
I met him in my office. And he was not even my colleague. So I used to work in a hotel. I used to be in hospitality.
Okay.
So that day I was not planning to go, and मेरे ex abusive partner से मेरे breakup को भी 2-3 महीने हुए थे, तो I was still healing. I was in that phase that when you can't get over somebody, you get under somebody. So I was
We all have been through that.
I agree.
I was in that phase of, you know, Horia the Explorer. So
I love the term. Love it.
I was that. So the hotel that I used to work for, I was not supposed to show up for work that day.
Okay.
But I got a call from my colleague that there is somebody who wants to meet you.
Okay.
And I am a little bit of something that I do have people who love me and my work, and there are fans. So, but I was not told that. I was told there is somebody who wants to meet you. तो मेरी तो वहीं पे फट गई, shit मेरा ex मेरे काम पे आ गया. मेरी तो वहीं पे जान निकलनी start हो गई कि I'm done. But when I reached, there was this very pretty girl who wanted to take a picture with me, and especially घर से office उसके लिए आई थी so that she meets me, and I was like मैं आई गई हूँ तो let's just cancel the leave and work. that day the hotel had an event, so there were a lot of stalls, a lot of pop-ups. There was a small flea market that was set up, and there in that flea market I was like, okay, since I'm already at work, let's just see कि आसपास क्या है, might as well spend some adult money. And I was just circling around, and there he was in a very nice green and white kurta with blue and beige capris. He was standing
So
and
you
he
had
was at
that
a
moment,
stall.
तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया क्या
ये उसको होना चाहिए था जो मुझे हुआ. This was the first time I got the guts to call a guy and say fuck, he's so damn hot. पहली बार मेरा एक लड़के को देख के वो शायद निकला होगा, because it's usually the other way around. But I never really had the guts to talk to a guy because I always had this fear of rejection on me.
Same, I don't have guts to talk to guys.
Why should
मैं कभी अप्रोच नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मुझे डर लगता है. मेरे में कोई ईगो नहीं है, पर मुझे डर लगता है अगर उसने
Same.
ये बोल दिया कि
You are not my type and something like
जा
that.
यहाँ से.
But
And
that is exactly what happened. I was like, मैं क्यों जाऊँ, सुंदर तो मैं हूँ. तो मैं उस ईगो में थी, but मैं फिर भी गई. So he was on a stall with another girl. तो मेरी तो वहीं से जान निकल गई, fuck, ये तो already अपनी बंदी के साथ आया, मैं इससे क्या ही बात करूँ. But I later on found out it was his sister, which is now my sister-in-law. But so I was like कि जहाँ आप सीधे मुंह बात नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ आप बहन के रास्ते से बात कर सकते हो. So I started talking to her sister, ignoring him. कि ये मेरे से बात करेगा, इसके स्टॉल पे सुंदर लड़की आई है. एंड मैं पता क्या पहन के गई थी, अपने भाई की टी-शर्ट और जीन्स. I was that casual at work when he fell in love with me. And he owns a jewelry brand, and I went कि ठीक है, मेरे को एक पायल खरीदनी है, do you have any or something like that करके ऐसे में ऐसे conversation मैंने initiate करा. So he said, I do not have that right now, but we can exchange numbers and I can send it to you. I can send a catalog to you. So I was like, oh, you own a brand? He said, yes. So I am a marketing person. Like that is my professional life. So I was like, क्योंकि हम number exchange कर ही रहे हैं, तो बात करने के लिए कुछ होना चाहिए. तो I said कि I will just help you build your brand. I will market for your brand. So he was like, ठीक है, let's just connect वो. And then I asked him that, how do you identify yourself? He said, I'm straight. तो वहाँ पे जो मेरा शरीर के हर अंग में एक टर्न ऑफ हुआ कि ये जो इसने बकवास करी है. एंड आई क्लियरली सेड दिस थिंग टू हिम कि तुम्हें को 2 मिनट दे, मैं भी देखती हूँ कि तू कितना स्ट्रेट है. एंड वी आर 2 मिनट क्या 2 साल हो गए, वी आर स्टिल टुगेदर. बट वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड we started looking to each other as friends because I had just come out of a relationship. I was not looking to anything serious. He had been single for the last 6 years. He was still overcoming from this ex of his 6 साल से. तो
चलो फिर अब बहुत सीरियस बातें हो गई.
हाँ.
अब आई वांट टू रियली नो व्हाट वाज योर डेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस लाइक. क्या हॉरिबल एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं क्या?
Before
अच्छे
dating, before dating, when you were single.
when you were single, yeah, exactly.
कौन से वाला बताऊँ? समझ नहीं
सारे
आ रहा.
सबसे
बहुत
गंदा,
सारे.
सबसे गंदा
बता दो चलो पहले.
सबसे गंदा dating experience. Yeah, I have not. You will not consider one day conversation in dating. Now, I used to consider it back then.
Let's
कि
just
अगर-
call it a situationship or a hookup or whatever.
If I say hookups, then all the men in the chat box would be devastated because half तो वही लोग होंगे जो मेरे से मिल चुके हैं already. So I need to be very careful with which one do I speak about. So there was this sexual encounter I'm going to talk about. This is for all the MBBS graduates and everything. This is a learning for you. Please take it. ठीक है? My first ever situationship boyfriend or something, again a companion who was in Mangalore and I was in Delhi. So when he was visiting home, we planned to meet, and he was my first ever boyfriend experience after all the women that I was with, right? So we decided to catch up, and we decided the worst place to catch up, that too a Paharganj mein Ganda se Oyo, because I was 18, he was 19. इससे ज़्यादा माँ बाप पैसे देते भी नहीं थे उस टाइम पे. So we were like, okay, there was a 399 rupees Oyo we went to. Oyo.
Hi.
Oyo, yeah. Now तो we can't. Now we don't.
I'm judging you for this now.
Yeah, I was 18. What do you expect?
18 पे कहाँ होते हैं?
So this guy, we went to this गंदा सा Oyo. तो सबसे पहले तो we looked around everywhere कि कहीं पे कोई कैमरा ना हो because of Instagram कि कल को
She's so mean.
मेरा ही ऊपर MMS बन रहा हो कि
She's so
यहाँ
mean.
पे छक्के आते और ऐसा. So I was like, before becoming, मेरे को हेडलाइन हमेशा से बनना था, but इस उसमें हेडलाइन नहीं बनना था मुझे कि मेरी ये हेडलाइन बन जाएगी. So we went, and he was, again, I'm focusing on the fact he was an MBBS student. I used to not look like this back then, of course. So I was a lot malnourished. My bones were out, and my ribs was completely visible. And I was very thin. I was 44 kgs or
My
45
God.
kgs. Yeah, I was kuposhit. So when we met, when we were making out, he did the worst possible thing ever.
What?
He started naming my ribs according to the anatomy of his college book.
Eh?
कि इसे ये कहते हैं, इसे ये कहते हैं, इसे ये कहते हैं,
तू तो
इसे ये
नहीं
कहते
करती ना
हैं.
ऐसा?
While making out.
ये तेरा L1, L2, L3, L4.
That is the worst possible thing you can do. ये मुझे 18 की उम्र में समझ आ गया था, और वो मेरे से बड़ा था. And after that we went. मेरा तो वहीं पे जो जो
पता
मेरा
नहीं कूल क्यों समझते हैं इसको. कबीर सिंह में भी तो कबीर उसकी हाथ रिस्ट बना रहा था.
वो
wrist
कबीर
को.
सिंह हॉट भी था ना, वो हॉट नहीं था. और अगर आप even at
वो
that,
कबीर सिंह था या फकीर सिंह था?
सारे डॉक्टर फकीर सिंह ही होते हैं पहले.
and I have this one superpower. Whosoever I go out with, we just don't overcome me that easily. Even after 5 years.
I think it's with me also. What do you think, Bhavika?
Even after 5 years,
It's
that
with me
guy.
also. बहुत
Even
हुआ.
after 5 years, that guy still stalks me till today.
Really?
मेरा तो परिवर्तन भी हो गया, उसके बावजूद भी अभी वो मेरे को stalk करता है.
I mean, but look at you. You're beautiful.
He has to.
He has to.
He has to.
Of course.
वो कैसे नहीं
और
करेगा?
है.
उसको करना पड़ेगा. But after that, जो हमारी पूरी डेट गई, he kept asking me, babe, what is wrong? Babe, what is wrong? How do I tell him, baby, your studies are wrong? मतलब तू क्या
तेरा हिस्ट्री, सिविक्स, बायोलॉजी सारा गलत है भाई.
सिविक सेंस ही नहीं है.
कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें. The worst possible case you think was this. But इससे बुरा और क्या हो सकता है? मेरी सारी नारियां बताएंगी और मेरे सारे gay brothers
Yeah,
बताएंगे.
Please
please tell
comments.
us your horror dating experiences. We want to
We
know.
want to
I
know.
will
please.
check each of them out, and I will comment on that saying कि ये मेरे साथ हो रखा है. The worst thing a guy can do is not fucking maintain his hygiene.
I swear.
Nobody likes
Guys
jungle.
who smell bad.
Worst ones.
Brush कर लो, please. बालों
You
में
know, I
कंघी
usually,
फेर
so
लो.
people tell me perfume gift करने से ना वो ये होता है. I keep on gifting perfumes to everyone, and everybody is like, why do you keep on gifting perfumes? Why? Because I want you to smell good.
That's
It's not
a
that.
hint.
That's a
Yeah,
hint.
it's not that they smell bad, but I want you to smell better the way I want you to smell.
Yeah.
You smell like that.
That
So I
was-
give them my favorite perfume. You smell like that.
This
So
was
it's
my
like
boyfriend on the day we were supposed to have it for the first time.
That's my turn on, by the way.
He got me a perfume from his house. He said, I want you to wear this specifically on my birthday so that tonight, okay, we'll not go there.
When my husband when he smells the way I want him to smell, I could have the best possible sex ever. क्योंकि मैं उसको हमेशा बोलती हूँ एक particular perfume है वो लगा, and I love it, and I
The
love it.
best possible sex a girl can get is when the guy smells of you even after you're done with him.
Mhm.
Okay, now Pranav, we have some questions for you. Okay, after this we are going to do a answer or eat the mirchi round. But before that, I have some small questions for you, and I want you to answer them very quick in
Okay.
just a line.
Okay.
What's a question people are too scared to ask you?
कि चोली के पीछे क्या है?
What should people stop asking trans people?
कि चोली के पीछे क्या है?
Yeah, exactly.
What's the most respectful way to ask someone's pronouns?
Basic है. How do we identify or how do I address you as? Because what I think is something you don't look like. So you tell me, how should I call you? किससे किसी का नाम कैसे पूछते हो? What is your good name? That's how you ask them. What should I call you? What should I address you?
You made it pretty
Simple.
simple. I think, yeah.
No,
she
it
made
is actually
Because
simple.
they are humans. We are humans.
This is
Everybody
basic
thinks
manners
sadly.
parents
Yeah.
should teach
So
their
all are
children.
same.
True, true. Now we are entering a very fun segment where Pranav has to answer our questions. Otherwise, you have to have that mirchi. ठीक है?
Right
And
there.
तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या
मैं क्या
करूँ?
This is the worst kind of I am fucked situation I am in.
और गर्मी इतनी है, guys.
लेकिन मुझे तो लग रहा है you'll answer all the questions.
I hope so.
Okay, let's start. Pronouns in bio, must or optional?
Must.
Correcting someone or ignoring, what do you do?
Answering back, third option.
Love or validation?
Validation.
Soft love or toxic thrill?
Soft love. I can't ruin my skin.
Biggest dating red flag?
When he cannot even hold your hand in public और उसकी माँ के सामने उसकी फट जाती है.
One stereotype about Trans people.
That all
people.
trans people are sex workers or beggars on roads. Some people also sit here.
Makeup, power or mood?
Power.
Likewise. Someone misgenders you, reaction.
Too used to it now.
Your type, don't lie. Your type.
My type. Big boy, muscular men.
One thing people should Google before speaking.
You should Google about me when you speak to me.
Dating app bio line. Dating app bio line.
Bio line.
Yeah. For a dating app. For a trans woman.
For a trans woman, too hot to handle.
That's about
What's
it.
your fetish?
Oh.
What's my fetish? I don't think so. If I'm at a stage where I'll have fetishes because I've completed them all.
Nice.
And that's
nice
true. She
answer.
has.
Okay,
she
if you
has.
want to know a fetish, I have made out with a salesman in H&M ka trial room.
Ooh,
So,
nice.
That's
I have.
nice.
No, I can't say that. That's too controversial.
One thing you wish people understood about LGBTQ plus community.
That they are as equal as you are. There is no difference between them and you. You're all humans. The only difference they have is that they have the guts to live their life on their own terms, and they want to live their life with happiness without any toxicity. They just only have a different kind of choice in who they want to love and who they want to sleep with. Apart from that, you both eat the same food. You both come in the world from the same way that we come from. We both breathe the same air. We both drink the same water. So there is no damn difference apart from having the guts to speak up for themselves.
Also, Pranav, I believe there are so many Pranavs watching this podcast right now.
Yeah.
And I'd really love to know, what would you tell your younger self if you were about?
The only one thing that I want to tell my younger self and to all the younger selves out there who are watching this right now, do not stop believing or dreaming. The older Pranav dreamt so that I could achieve that one day. I am really glad that he never gave up कि मैं यहाँ बैठ पाऊंगी कभी और या मैं कुछ भी achieve कर पाऊंगी. The day he started speaking in front of the mirror in his own house when he did not have the platform, that got me here and speaking amongst thousands of us, telling that life is worth living. At the age of 16, I never thought I'd see the age of 18. I am 22 right now, and so can you. So you can live a beautiful life only if you stop believing in what other people say and start believing in yourself. So trust yourself, trust the process, get independent, do not take any wrong action before 18. Once you're 18, take whatever step you want to take. Do not harm others, do not break others, and do not let other people harm you or break you as well.
Beautifully said.
Yeah.
That was an eye-opening podcast,
That
you know.
was,
फिर
for sure.
full butter masala also, and it was good.
थोड़ा
उसमें
wholesome
proper
था.
घी भी था, मतलब good carbs भी थे, bad carbs भी था, सब proper
मुझे तो
था.
बहुत मजा
मुझे
आया.
तो बहुत मजा आया. I really enjoyed, and I
Honestly.
think personally I like her a lot. And we're going to talk off camera also a lot. I think मैं तो इनके साथ touch में रहने वाली हूँ.
मैं भी.
तू तो of course,
Yeah.
she's your friend. Of
You
course.
guys can follow me.
Please, you have to follow her. Pranav Boxer Grover.
Yes.
Go follow, please. कुछ सीख ही जाओगे यार. Please, please, please. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Show some love. Why aren't you guys subscribing?
सब्सक्राइब
please.
कर लो प्लीज, कमेंट्स कर लो. वी वुड लव टू नो अच्छे लग रहे हैं पॉडकास्ट, नहीं लग रहे तो भी बता दो.
हमें every publicity I think is good.
Good.
है ना?
Yeah.
चलो guys. Okay, bye.